Welcome to Kai Samu's channel.
Anong gagawin nyo today?
Gonna make cookies. Ingredients is in the end of the video. So finish the video and please subscribe. Wow, it's butter. Wow, you have to mash this when you have. What are you gonna do with this big butter? We have to smash it first. Mash it. Egg. Egg.
Mix the egg.
Mix that.
Smells nice?
Yeah.
May paa-aka pa dyan.
Look at this. This is what this is.
Oh, matapon.
Because it's butter. What is it?
Vanilla.
Wow. It's vanilla cookie. Looks like calamansi.
Kalamansi. Ano, it's just like kalamansi ka dyan.
It's like calamansi. It's real.
Ano, same color lang. Yung toyo mansi. Not
What is
kalamansi.
it?
Yung ginagawa yung cookie. Diba gagawa kayong cookie?
What? What is?
Mali daw yung mix mo.
What is?
Okay.
What is it?
It's a flour. I may measure kung ano. Hindi pwedeng putyo-putyo. Hindi pwedeng hula-hula.
Mix.
Erica, baka mahulog ikaw.
Cool. Cool. Turn the white.
Ayan na naman po sila. Okay, yung dalawa na lang maghawak nun.
Wait, wait, wait.
Isa lang ba yung kanya natin, Ri? Give and take.
Give mo.
Hmm.
Ako.
Mix it properly.
A-B-E. Isa. Finally.
Yummy. Ay, yummy daw.
Yummy.
Tinikman mo kasi.
What is?
Excited.
Kunwari ka.
Excited na. Yummy, yummy.
Ilagay mo na. Hoy, bakit sinusong ka pa yan?
Taste wala na. Kulang.
Prepare na yung oven.
No.
No more. Yung mix na.
It's how to mix.
Yummy ka dyan, Papa. May plano. Hindi mo nadudurog eh.
Stop that. Huh?
Oh, may plano.
Papa. No.
It's for the cookies.
Yeah.
Ano nang nangyari sa cookies natin?
Ganyan lang ba itsura niyo? Ay, ano yan?
That's for wires. What is that doing? Yeah. Whoa, it looks
Yeah, hindi mo na pa.
Mama. It
Yeah,
looks
no
like
more.
dough. Hanam.
Yeah.
Yikes. Did you just put the chocolate?
Yummy.
Did
Yung
you
mga
just...
naluluto, yummy na.
We're gonna hold it when it's like that. It doesn't look like dough. It's not. This is not dough. It doesn't look like a dough. Let me do it. I'm gonna just come like this. I'm just gonna... My papa. Use my
Ay, you
hand.
need ano, yung mold. Pang mold. Ay, anong tawag?
No. I need a...
Ay, kinuha, what is it ka pa? Kunwari ka pa dyan,
Yeah.
No.
Don't eat that chocolate. It's for the cookie. Put it back.
Hindi pa naman yun.
This, that's so much here. That's so much. What are you gonna do there? I don't know.
What's that, Erica? Unong-ulo ka dyan.
We have to wait for 12 minutes.
Kunwari pa. Ay, dila, papa. Oh. Ay, ba yan, Erica? Buti pa si ate, hindi kumuha, oh. Pero kunwari na rin, oh.
Wow.
Mainit ka ba dun?
Oh, yeah.
Cookies is done.
What happened to the cookie? It's not yet flat. Yay! It's not yet flat. It's not yet. So yummy.
You want to eat cookies na?
Yes.
Okay.
Papa. Can we do
Papa is only joking. Okay. Okay, kakain na po. Ay, init na.
Nakakita ang ginagaya ka.
Papa, mainit pa.
Nakakita ang ginagaya ka.
Mainit. Sarap. Yummy, Erica.
Yes.
Mainit. Smile. Ang mainit kasi. Try nga ako. Wow, naman sa chocolate. Ayan yung pinagdito.
Masat.
Yeah.
This is very hot. Oh. Limited.
Ini?
Na-enjoy oh. Namumulot na naman.
Wow.
It's a yummy. Yummy?
Wait. These are the ingredients. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.